Welcome to this Easymotion tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to use Easymotion AI to create professional map animations. With Easymotion, you can create many types of map animations in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, we will cover the most popular and commonly used map animation styles. Let us start with a simple country flag fill animation. First, I will write a prompt describing the map animation I want. I want the animation to start from the Asia-Pacific region, zoom into Australia, draw boundary lines, and fill countries with their flags. Now, let's use our Enhance Prompt feature. This feature takes a simple prompt and rewrites it into a clear and detailed step-by-step instruction. We only need to review the improved prompt and make small edits if needed. Next, I will choose the output settings. Here, I will set the resolution to landscape. I will keep the output count at 2. When the output count is 2, Easymotion generates 2 variations. This allows us to choose the version we like the most. The animation is generated. Let us preview the first version. Map animations use more GPU power, so the preview may look slow or slightly choppy on some computers. If that happens, just play the preview again. But no worries, the final exported video will always be smooth. The first result looks good and matches what we want. Now let me check the second one. Both outputs look good. I will select the second one. Once the map is generated, you can change the map style at any time. For example, I can switch this to satellite view. And if you want labels like country and city names, choose dark matter with labels. Now I want this animation to feel more dynamic. So I will ask Easymotion to switch the camera from a flat map to a globe view. Perfect. The flat map is now converted into a globe perspective. When you are ready, you can export the animation. I will click on the Export button and hit Export. After exporting, you can preview the video. You can download it and use it anywhere you want. Now let us move to another powerful feature called templates. Templates are the fastest way to create animations in Easymotion. You simply pick a template, customize it, and you are ready. I will go to the Maps category. Here, you can see many ready-made map animation templates. I will choose the State Highlight template. I want to modify it to highlight United States states. I will click on Edit with AI. This opens a new session where I can customize the template. Now I will ask Easymotion to customize this template for United States states. This looks good. Now let us make this animation more engaging by adding images. I will add images for each state. I will also describe what each image represents. Next, I will ask Easymotion to place these images in their correct locations. You can see how Easymotion automatically places the images inside each state boundary. Since most content today is viewed on mobile phones, I will switch the aspect ratio to mobile view. The framing is now optimized for vertical screens. This makes it perfect for reels, shorts, and stories. Next, let us create a route animation. I will write a prompt to connect New York, Paris, Dubai, and Tokyo. Again, I will use the enhanced prompt feature. I will confirm and send the request for generation. Route animations in Easymotion use simple route lines. These are not detailed road-level routes like Google Maps. The results are ready. The first version looks good. Let me preview the second one as well. Easymotion includes built-in navigation icons. You can quickly switch between planes, cars, pins, and more. If you want to use your own custom icon, that is also possible. I like this version better, so I will select it. Now I will upload my custom plane icon. Make sure your icon has a transparent background. I will ask Easymotion to replace the existing icon. And just like that, the custom icon is applied to the route animation. This is very useful for branded videos and client-specific projects. And that is how you can create map animations in Easymotion AI in just a few minutes. From country highlights and globe views to custom route animations. You can also use ready-made templates for specific map animations. We keep adding new map templates, so stay tuned. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for more tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.